Alright, so here we are at AutoDrill headquarters. We're in the office. We're just going to head out to the shop here real quick. I hear there's some interesting stuff that we might be able to... Hi, Paula. Hi, Robin.
Hi.
We're going to head out here. Oh, it's dark in here. Oh, not that dark anymore. Anyway, let's go see what they got running out here. I've got a bunch of AutoDrills here. Oh, cool chuck. A chuck? Oh, it's a spindle pulled out. Let's see what we got running over here. Hi, Joe. Hi, Mike. So we got this cool stroke table set up here. Look at all these 5000s. Man, that's cool. So, check it out. We break in all of our units before we send them out. We run them on a machine like this, stroking. It's singing to us. It's very nice. So anyway, we run them here. We stroke them thousands of times. Why? Because if it stops stroking here, it's a lot better than if it stops stroking at your shop. Right? They never stop stroking here, but you never know. So what do we got? Got a hydro speeds on these so that they can wrap it down and then take a nice controlled stroke. These units are capable of about 1,000 to 1,500 pounds of thrust, depending on the air pressure, between 100 psi or a little higher. They take very simple, still singing it to me, very simple fittings on them. And the tubing, of course, goes to your controls. We just have basic controls here for stroking, nothing really special. And yeah, we would love to provide you an incredible solution for your drilling, tapping, reaming, or other hole processing needs. AutoDrill.com.